Hello everybody, this is Daddy Question here, and today we're going to go through another OC question. Now this OC question is different style from the one we had previously in episode 6. This one's going to be slightly different, but again, if we work through it systematically, it's not that hard. It's really just the translation that it's testing you on. Sion paints 4 rectangular walls. Each wall is 6 meters wide and 4 meters high. If 1 liter of paint is needed for every square meter, how many liters of paint does Sion need to paint the 4 walls? Basically, what this question is asking is to find the surface area of the walls. We're not counting front and back, all we are counting is one face. So let's say that this is one of the 4 walls. Now it says that it is 6 meters wide, so we know that this is 6, and 4 meters high, so we know that this is 4. Remember, this is meters, so let me just write the units here. Now this area here is 24 meters squared. And since there are 4 of these walls, we just do 24 multiplied by 4. And this is equal to 96. Thank you everyone for watching. This is Daddy Question. If you enjoy my series, you can consider watching another one of our videos, or subscribe, like, and comment down below to encourage me to make further videos and so that you will be able to learn more about mathematics.